welcome to Passion for Detailing. We are going to be taking a view of Halfords to see all their detailing products and a selection of car care stuff. Most people know Halfords as a automotive style centre. They also do bikes here, but we're going to check out all their detailing products today. So let's go out and have a look. So we're in Halfords and there is a huge selection of products from turtle wax all the way down to Autoglym, and also some new stuff from Autobright Direct. Right, let's have a look at what we've got here. First stand is the chemical guys. You don't really see much of this in the UK, but there is something here that a lot of people will recognise, is the Mr. Pink shampoo. It's probably one of the first shampoos I ever used in car detailing from America. And then you've got their complete system, clay system, so you've got a lubricant, the clay bar, and also you've got their buttery wet wax. This is actually a fantastic wax if you want that super wet glossy look. There's a bigger bottle of it there. That's actually £49 here in the UK. And there's some other products here that I really quite like. This is very popular in the US, is the Jet Seal, and also their Hydro Slick ceramic hyper wax. And then down below you've got their Diablo wheel cleaner, some tyre shine, and you see this a lot, is their new invisible super cleaning colourless and odourless interior cleaner. And then you've got some leather cleaners here and conditioners, and a ceramic glass sealant. They also supply you some buckets, and obviously the most important bit, a grit guard to go inside the bucket. You've also got their soft alloy wheel brushes, so this is for your faces of your wheels, and they actually do a stiffer one for your tyres. A bit big in my opinion for doing tyres, but they're very popular, and they do a selection of microfiber towels and microfiber applicators, and a big drying towel. And something I love are these chenille wash pads. I prefer wash pads to wash mitts, just my preference. Also we've got their own range here, so there's some microfiber polishing mitts. And something that's a classic here in the UK is teacup. I wouldn't preferably use any of these today because there's a lot better out there, but were very popular. This is still quite a good product. They're metal polish. And then you've got the Ferrecla G3 and Pro Series. And something you definitely wouldn't see me using, maybe on glass, but some artificial chamois. Don't use these. You want to be using a microfiber towel, guys. Exciting bits. So not only do you have the normal turtle wax range, so they're wet and wax, their original, this is their hard shell paste wax, still so popular today. You've got a very good wheel cleaner, both here. One's has iron fallout in it, the other one doesn't. You've got some interior products, and if you've got bad odours, this one here is very, very good. And a bit further down you've got your dash and glass, some silicone style products here. Not a big fan of those as dressing the interior, I don't really like that, I prefer a matte finish. And then you've got your turtle wax snow foam, the classic zip wax, and something I haven't used yet is their max power car wash. It's got 3 levels of cleaning: moderate, aggressive and extreme. And at £11.99, that is not bad value for money. And you've obviously got their waterless wash. Sorry, I'm bending down here, guys. This is very good, their insect remover. If you've got bugs on the front of your car, this is going to remove them very, very easily. Don't forget, guys, all these products are consumer grade. This here, if you haven't seen the video on my channel already, this is their graphene infused flex wax. I'm a big fan of this. I've had a couple of bottles of this now, I've been very, very happy with it. They also do it in wax form. there, and they've also got a one and done compound. So this is a polish, an abrasive and a protection all in one. Great product. I'm sure I'll do a review on this very soon. And then if you haven't already tried their pure shampoo, if you want something that's super slick, that's a pure shampoo that you can use in a foam lance or also in your bucket, and also use as a clay lubricant, this is a must-have in your detailing arsenal. You've also got their wheel and tyre cleaner with the iron fallout. I've done a review on this on my channel. You can use this also on your paintwork. It's absolutely fantastic, guys. Can't recommend this enough. And a bit further down, you've got their Hyper Foam. I really like this product, but it all comes down to the price. This is probably the strongest wheel and tyre cleaner I've ever used. It actually dissolved one of my Detail Factory brushes, one of my hog's hair brushes, but the price, it comes in at a hefty price and you don't get a lot for your money. And there's a product here that I absolutely love, and it comes as a kit. You get a foam applicator and a microfiber towel. Is their ceramic graphene paste wax. So 10 blends of waxes in that, and that's going to give you a few months protection, but the gloss levels are fantastic. Down to the hybrid solutions range. Well, it's all hybrid solutions, but this has been out for some time now and it's a very popular product. Their ceramic spray coating. You've got their wet wax, and this one here for a tenner is their seal and shine. I don't think for value for money you can beat that. Very, very impressed with this product. Again, it's on my channel, and I did a head-to-head with the flex wax, the ceramic and the seal and shine. Very, very good products. Now moving on, we've also got Autofinesse. Is a UK based company. You've got their ceramic snow foam. It's a very good product. You got their Citrus Power pre-wash. Not the cheapest in the world, but a very, very good product. What else have we got down here? You got their triple all-in-one polish, so a cut and a polish and a protection all in one. Very, very good. And then you've got their reactive wheel cleaner. And then you've got some accessories down here. So you've got a wash mitt, some brushes, and they've also do some, there you go, some wheel brushes now as well. They're actually £20. I think for value for money, Wheel Woolies are better. They've got a handy puck kit, some more microfiber towels, and then they've got a ceramic spray wax. I haven't used much Autofinesse, but I know that there's a few people that do really rave about it, but a nice selection from Autofinesse. And then a brand that you don't see much of anymore, well, not necessarily here in the UK, but it seems to be a very popular product still, is Autoglym. You've obviously got their Polar Blast snow foam, and you can all use all of these products for your brush washer. Polar Seal is a ceramic coating as a snow foam, very popular product. And then you've got their Performance Tire Gel. I used this product for a very, very long time over the years. I really like this. It's a bit glossy, it's not for everyone's cup of tea. And then you've got their Clean Wheels. This is a acid-based cleaner. And then you've got their Magna Fallout Remover. And then you've got their new ceramic spray. I haven't used this myself, as there's so many out there, but again, it's very, very popular. I don't know really what happened to Autoglym. It's just not huge, but their packaging always stands out. Always stands out. And then probably one of the original glass cleaners I used was Fast Glass. It's like an alcohol-based cleaner. It's great for all windows, safe on all tints. And they've got some kits down here as well. Got a whole bodywork and wheels, bodywork and accessories. And then you've got this here. It's probably one of the first aqua wax style products I ever used was their aqua wax. And then the original super resin polish. I think most people, if they got into detailing here in the UK, that was probably their go-to polish. And then you've got some great quality microfiber wash mitts, and then their Autoglym buckets with their grit guards. But all good value for money and a British standard here in the UK. And something else I wanted to do was actually have a look at this Autobright Direct products, because they have got a huge selection here in Halfords now. And for me, I've just done a review on their ceramic Magisil, but they do everything here. From citrus pre-washes, this smells fantastic, Parma violets if you like the sweets, that smells absolutely divine. And it isn't a huge amount of money, it's 15 quid. And then you've got some wax there, Canuba base wax, metal polish, got some wheel cleaners, a quick QD. They're very similar to Adams. I don't think they've got anything to do with each other, but they're all very similar. Again, I've got your protectant, you've got an engine protectant there that's very, very good, a glass sealant from Autobright Direct. I have used that myself. And then you've got their ceramic infused spray wax and refresh as well. And the last lot is Maguire's. Maguire's are massive here in the UK. They're their wheel woolies, or they're a version of it. They're very, very good. One of my favourite detail brushes is their dash and trim brush. I like this because you can slide this down, he says. Now, this collar here slides down to make this brush shorter, so it's very, very good. Got some wash mitts and a fantastic drying towel. And this here is their water magnet. And if you need to use a towel for glass, because of the waffle style weave, doesn't leave any fibres, great for doing glass. And then you've got a few selection of the shampoos. Probably one of the first Maguire shampoos I ever used was this. I got very excited for this product when this came out, but didn't live up to expectation. And then some classics. This one here, I'm sure everyone knows this hybrid ceramic wax. Very popular product, and I've used this before. Very, very good. And then good old scratch X, if you've got scratches on your car. And then some of the products that I've probably first used was their Hot Rims wheel and tyre cleaner. It's acid based, so not the greatest. And then their endurance tyre gel, talking 10 years ago maybe, even longer, still a very good product today. And then you've got the headlight restoration kit. I've used this before, very, very good. And a selection of interior detailers and a fantastic glass cleaner. And then we've got a selection of Halfords own microfiber towels, not bad. A pack of 10 for 8 quid, it's not too bad value for money. And then a microfiber cleaning kit, wash pad and some microfiber towels. And you've got one of their own snow foam kits, looks like it's a Karcher and a Nilfisk, looks like that. So some good selection of products here. And you've got Armour All as well, their ceramic spray coating. I know that's been on Pan's detailing channel. I think he was quite happy with that product. But yeah, good selection here in Halfords. They've all got good selection. I think overall that if you want detailing products and you don't want to shop online, come to Halfords, and I think you will be amazed with what you will find. May not be the cheapest because it's here at Halfords, but a fantastic selection. There's one other thing I wanted to show you also, because they actually supply you with absolutely everything here. So detailing can be quite hard work, and the fact that they've got everything, even pressure washers. So you've got some Nilfisk pressure washers here, and also some Karcher ones. I know this is very popular, this Karcher here. And they're not a huge amount of money. That one there's 188 quid, and that comes with a lance and a hose. And it's obviously the Karcher's version of quick release. So yeah, nice selection of products. So if you're just getting into detailing and you don't know where to go, come to Halfords. And not only can you get your pressure washers, you can get all your products as well. Wrap it up there, guys. Thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel and haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one.